This is a video to show the Bush corded stick vacuum cleaner 2-in-1. Just opening it up because I had it delivered. I had a pair of scissors, that'd be another thing. Anyway, pizza cutter will do. I fully would. See what's inside. Get these caravans clean. I just thought I'd show you. All out of the part. All out of the box, and I'll show you the bits and pieces. That is the instruction manual for the Bush stick vacuum cleaner and all the accessories that go with that. That's the handle. Let's put it together. Handle. No, we don't need that, we don't need that. Just to repeat, this is the Bush instruction manual for the corded stick vacuum cleaner 2-in-1, model number VSC02B16T-30. Always got these ties that take forever to take off. Right, there we go. See if there's anything stuck in between. No. There we go. That part. That part together. There you go. Bush vacuum cleaner stick. And let's see if it works. Excuse me a minute. Where's my battery again? Phone, I should say. Right, there we go. And now I get on. Okay, pause there. Nothing wrong with that. Bush instruction manual. As I said, I read out the model number. There we go. I hope it helps. Bye.